In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can fix low volume on your alarm sound on iPhone. Now, before we start, if you are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. Now, let's get started. So the first step is go to your settings, and after you're on your settings, just scroll down till you find Face ID and Passcode. After you do that, just type in your password and there you will see your security options. Now just scroll down and there you will see attention aware features. Now just turn this option off, and yeah, that is basically how you do it. Now this might seem like a really quick fix, but it actually works. So yeah, that is how you fix the low volume problem on your iPhone. Thanks for watching. That is all for the video. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.